Yog, Karmasu Kaushalam. Yoga is excellence in action. Yoga is restraining the mind stuff from taking various forms. A warm welcome to everyone as we gather to celebrate International Yoga Day 2024 here at SAI International Residential School. It is a joy to see our school community come together to embrace the practice of yoga and its profound benefits.
That yoga not only helps us in controlling and managing the stress, it helps in managing all of our daily activities, the stresses which get generated, and it's a stress reliever. Now, as already the anchors have been saying that it is being celebrated as a global event, and today you will be finding the majority of all the states in India will be celebrating this event with Gramp and Pombia. Here we SIRS will be celebrating it too. I wish all of you a very big success and a successful Yoga Day.
Yoga for self-care means using this ancient practice to enhance our physical health, mental clarity, and emotional stability. Through regular practice, we cultivate inner peace, resilience, and a balanced life.
Yoga unites the world. Yoga, an ancient discipline or a spiritual discipline that originated in the heart of India. Now, yoga become a universal language of peace, harmony, and well-being. This year, theme of Yoga Day is Yoga for Self and Society. That means, if you practice yoga, that will help you individually as well as a community. Now, everyone, please join your hand and chant with me. Om Shahanam Bhavatu Shahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviram Karvavahe. Keep your palm on your waist. Stand straight. While exhaling, bend your head. Griva Sanchalan. Clockwise rotation. Inhale. These are the loosening practice before going to practice any yoga asana. Exhale. Inhale. Then exhale. Then turn towards your left. Place your right hand on your left leg, left hand, shoulder. Hold this posture for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Boys are doing very good this time. Okay, relax everyone. Very good. Okay. Stand straight. Raise both the hand. Palm facing upward. Hold for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good, sir. बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं आप. 9, 10. Relax. Very nice. और एक बार करेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax everyone. Together once again. Place your both the hand on your waist. Okay? Stand straight everyone. Girls are doing very good. Boys. Together once again. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax everyone. Well done. Clap everyone, clap. Very nice. Okay. Place your left hand on your left leg heel. Right hand on your right leg heel. Slowly inhale and hold this posture for a few seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax everyone. Close your right nostril by your right thumb. Place your left hand Gyan Mudra. Slowly inhale through the left nostril. Then exhale through your right nostril. Again inhale through the right nostril. Elbow up. Then exhale through your left nostril. While inhaling, mentally count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah. Sarve Shantu Niramaya. Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu. Ma Kashyati Dukha Bhag Bhave. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
A very happy International Yoga Day to all of you. Today we are here to celebrate the 10th International Yoga Day. As Sir had said, this is not only, yoga is not only relieve the stress in our life, but also gives us peace and happiness. And this is something which is in their culture, Indian culture, which is now being accepted globally.